Hi there, welcome to Blender 3D modeling tutorial. In this episode we are going to discuss the basic of object mode and edit mode. I know it is pretty much complex to put all these two modes in one video, but in this video we'll be going to discuss just the basics and not the complete part of it. So by default you are in object mode. As I said in your previous video, you can deselect anything by pressing here somewhere in the empty space, and you can select the object by clicking on it. By default you are in object mode. Okay, so first we will discuss some basics about the object mode. Click on the move, then you will be seeing a arrows option. You will be seeing some arrows on your screen, and then using these you can move your object in a 3D viewport. And this is the rotate tool. By using this you can rotate your object. You will get a gizmo by which you can rotate it easily in any direction. And this is the scale. You can use this to increase or decrease the size of your object. Alternatively, you can press S on your keyboard and drag to change its size proportionally. Then you have transform. Now this one has all of these three options: rotating, scaling and moving. Now this is kind of all-in-one option. I won't say all-in-one. These three basic options apply to your light source, camera as well. Okay, now let's talk about edit mode. You have some very basic things in the edit mode. Basically in edit mode you can change the mesh of the object. Now by default all of your vertices are selected. Now in edit mode you have three selections here. Now this one is vertex select. By using this you can select individual vertices and modify them. And next you have is edge select mode. By using this mode you can change your edges, you can modify the edges of your object. And the next one is the face select tool. By using this you can select the faces of your 3D model and you can scale them accordingly. If you ever need to use the three of these selection modes, you can also do that. Press any one and then shift, click on the selection mode you need, and then you can you can use both the modes, edge select and vertex. If you have enabled all three of these, then you can use the three selection modes to select the vertices, edges and faces of your object mesh. And in edit mode you have this selection option, and the next option we have is move. By clicking on a vertex you can move it. The same goes with the edge and also faces. Next you have rotate tool, and using this you can rotate your face, edge or the vertex. And next is the scale tool. We'll be covering these in detail in a separate video, but for now we are just exploring the brief details of the tools in edit mode. By using this scale tool you can easily scale the faces or edges. The next you have is transform. As in object mode, this is a 3-in-1 tool that can be used to move, scale and rotate. And here is the important one, extrude region tool. After selecting a faces, if you use this, you can drag this plus sign and this handle to drag the face. Next you have insert faces. By using this, you can insert faces on your object mesh. Select the insert faces tool, drag it, and there you will be having a new face created, and you can again drag this face to form something else. Next you have is the bevel tool. By using this you can bevel the edges. Just click it and drag it, and on the bottom left corner you get to see a menu which describes some settings regarding the bevel tool. First option is you have width type, width and segments. We will discuss this bevel tool as well in a separate video. Next we have the loop cut tool. By using this you can cut the object from between. So these were some basic things in your object mode. And